Now I've just bled this battery dry by using a 12 to 24 volt DC motor. It's pretty much what they consider dead. It's a 6 volt lead acid battery, AGM. Just some technical terms, you can look it up if you're not familiar with it. But let's take a reading and see what we got. And I'll just adjust that so you can see that. And just watch what happens. 3.3 and rising. Can you see that? Oh, sorry. 3.4. 3.497, 3.5. And that's the magic of the xPower battery, the world's first self-recharging battery. Now, will it really, will it fully recharge? No. But is it recharging by itself? Yes. You can take a look. I'm out here in a park in Sydney filming this. You can see there's nothing here. It's just a 6 volt lead acid battery, the world's first self-recharging battery. Alright, I'm going to get the meter back on. Make sure you can see it. .9. 3.91, and that's probably where it's going to stick. Just before this test and demonstration, the battery itself was about 4.6. And it might actually get up to there, but it's going to take some time. Oh, there we go, 4.04, 4.05. Now, will the battery do this by itself? To some degree. But will it go from 0 or completely dead to 4 volts? Not by itself. Alright, that's been about 10 minutes. So we're going to turn the digital multimeter back on, just get a reading, see where the battery got to. Can you see that? I'll just bring the meter a bit closer. 4.47. 4.47 volts. Now it's just over 4 volts when we turned it off. Now it's just over 4 volts previously before we let it rest for about 10 minutes. In actual fact, it's almost back to the capacitance that it was before we did this test and demonstration. So next we're going to put back on the motor. And what you're going to see is it actually doesn't have enough ability to turn that motor or get it going. But doesn't mean that the energy is not going to be used. As you can see or hear, there's nothing happening. The motor's not spinning. The shaft is just not going. But it's all hooked up. And we're just going to leave that for a minute or two and then take a reading and see what happens. All right, so here we go. I'm going to take a reading. All right, so here we're going to take a reading. .44746. Now I'm going to disconnect the motor and put the meter back on and watch what happens. 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, and that's the power of the xPower battery, the world's first self-recharging battery. Visit our website, EnergyxPower.com. Support the movement today. Join our mailing list so you can stay in the loop. And once again, I'm going to remove everything, take the digital meter away. And as I said previously, I'm here in Sydney at a local park filming this today. You can see it's a 6-volt battery. That's all. The xPower battery, the world's first self-recharging battery.